All right, we have this Healey ending here shortly. I'm going to do a quick walk around, kind of showing the paint quality. I mean, there's really no imperfections on this. It was done really, really to a high level. If we kind of walk around here, you can see all the chrome on the wheels is nice. The two-tone, there's really nice crisp lines between the two different colors. Just a really nice Healey. Full rotisserie restoration from the exterior to the interior. Interior is really sharp as well. Everything works on this. Blinkers, all the gauges work, all the switches. Here's the cover for the top. All the chrome is in really good condition also. And just from, you can look at the underside photos, I mean, every inch of this Healey has been touched and looks immaculate. If you have any questions, please use the contact seller button or leave a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. If you need a quote for shipping, we'd be happy to do that as well. Use the contact seller button.